Alright gentlemen, today in this video we will be creating a chatbot which will call people for us. So firstly you need to come to ChatGPT, and for this thing you need GPT Plus subscription. So yeah, if you don't have that you can create. Then you go to GPTs and click on create. Here you can put down any name or description, that doesn't matter actually. I'll just write down best closer in town. Yeah. Then we have description. You can write anything like calls clearly and persuades. So it doesn't really matter whatever you put down in description or name. Then you can put down any conversation starters like make a call, initiate a call, or anything like that. So I'll just give you an example here. Like, hey, it's time to call, or XYZ. Now here, as you can see, there's a part called knowledge. Here you can upload files related to your chatbot, like its behavior and everything. In this example I won't be using it, so yeah, it's up to you actually. Here there are three options here, so you'll have to just turn on call interpreter if you're using knowledge base. Besides that, you don't need anything. Then you come here in actions, click on API key, click on custom. Here you add authorized, and then you'll have to insert an API key. For API key, you need to come to bland.ai. You'll find a link in description. Come to here in API key section, copy it up, then go back to your ChatGPT, paste it down here, and as you can see, actually here you need to change a little, put down authorization instead of authorized, save it, and then you can find schema in, like, I'll just leave a document in description. You can copy it down from there. You'll find all resources in description, so don't worry about them. Paste it down and click on format. Now as you can see, below there's initiate call and get transcript as an extra enable thing. So yeah, go back, this part is done. Now you'll have to add instructions, and for that reason you can just copy down my prompt and go to ChatGPT and just ask it to modify it as I am doing here. So you can say to ChatGPT, can you change this prompt for me? Just change its name from XYZ to ZYX. Its objective from XYZ to ZYX, and then just paste it down. And there you have it. And also I'm using ChatGPT 3.5 here for this part because it's fast, and also everyone has an access to that. So yeah. Besides the fact you still need GPT Plus for building such chatbots. So there we have it. Everything's looking pretty clean. Now you'll just have to copy the prompt like I'm doing here, and then you can just move back to your ChatGPT, paste the instructions, and you can use your DALL-E to generate any pic, it doesn't matter. Here I'll change name to Lana, so DALL-E can use it to upload a woman profile. As you can see, there's a image of woman in profile now. Also you can upload your own, so it doesn't really matter. And there we have it. It's pretty clean and it's pretty done. You'll just have to update it and it's ready to go.
Hi, this is Lana, Gavin's assistant, calling to make a dinner reservation. I would like to book a table for two under the name Gavin Sandhu. The reservation is for the 21st of May at 9 p.m. Could you please confirm the reservation?
Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you for confirming the reservation for two people under the name Gavin Sandhu on May 21st at 9 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, goodbye.
Right, well, call went pretty great. And now here's a view from inside, like how it operates when you give it a task. So firstly it'll ask you for a few details, as you can see, and you'll just have to give out them. For example, here is the name of the restaurant, date and time, and then number of people attending, and also number of restaurants. So yeah. Now after processing details, it starts to, starts the action, it initiates the call, and it tells you that it is in progress now. And later you can just type down okay, or how is it going to get details about it, like the updates, how did the call go, and then so yeah, it's pretty cool, it's pretty efficient. You can use it yourself and use it for your clients as well. Alright, so Chatbot is pretty easy. I know you can find all the resources you need in description below. Beside that, if there'd be any suggestion you have for me, you can let me know in the comments or reach me out on social medias. And yeah, beside that, it was really a pleasure of mine to share my expertise with you guys. I really hope you got a value out of this video, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this. Beside that, I'm rooting for you, and I hope you have a great day. See ya.